Is how to make subscriptions public or hidden on YouTube. So first of all, open up any browser. It can be Chrome or Safari. I use Safari, it doesn't matter. Then in search, enter youtube.com and proceed to YouTube. Next step, we should go to main profile. Tap on You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Then proceed to History and Privacy. Under History Privacy, you will see Keep all my subscription private, and this toggle on. That means now your all subscription is private. To make it public, you should disable this option. Just tap on this toggle, and now all your subscription public on YouTube. And if you want again switch to private all your subscription, just enable this option. When you finish, just go back to your account and use YouTube.